Hey, my name's Max, and my mom's a real estate agent. She's super excited about this thing called virtual open houses. Anyway, I figure a lot of us have pets, so let's take a pet view of an open house. Make sure you have some curb appeal. Got to make sure that porch is nice. And yeah, I think I like that. And then here we go. It's all time for the tour. These are nice wood floors. Can't get much traction on these though. I kind of like the rug. Hey folks, make sure that you're getting those crumbs up off your floor. We see those. Oh, look at here. It's a dust bunny. Hey, make sure you clean your baseboards. Let's go this way. Well, so far, this is pretty good. Hey, here's a rug here. I can scratch that. Nice rug. What's this? Ooh. Hey, I'm sorry. My tour was a little bit short, but hey, I'm a cat. I got distracted. That toy, wow. If you need a real virtual tour for your house, call my mom. I promise hers will be better than mine. She's the professional. Thanks for watching.